I'm here in Birmingham at the National Farmers Union Conference, and there are some of the UK's leading analysts within the food and drink space. Now, what I'm really interested to find out is what's driving the retail price war and what's happening in a meat category that has seen the discounters eat ever larger shares from the Big Four's market.
I think price wars are going to happen across 2017 as we move into a period of uncertainty. I think the big thing that people are going to look for in a period of uncertainty around Brexit and all of the other things going on is options to trade down and trade up in markets. We've seen this across various markets. Discounters are going to offer real opportunities in trading down terms, but also have quality products in their repertoire as well. I think what that means is there's more competition around the everyday shop than ever before. In the meat category, what I expect to see over the next 6 to 12 months is increased competition. So Aldi and Lidl are geographically crossing over more and more. I think there'll be more competition between them as stores. We're seeing movements between them at an overall meat level, so there will be that within there. However, there's still the biggest movement we're seeing in grocery and within meat is a movement from the big supermarkets into discounters for main shops, and that really drives meat, fish and poultry purchasing out of those. The other element is Aldi and Lidl are really focusing on fresh and chilled still as a key part of their strategy for growth, and that's an important lever in any price war at the moment in making sure the everyday essentials are something that you offer a competitive price on but maintain quality within those markets. I think the retailers are all going to respond to what's happened, so we've seen it from the mainstream to the more premium retailers, everyone thinking about Aldi and Lidl. So we quite often hear the anecdotes of the Range Rovers in the car park. It's not just the Big Four that are thinking about them. What we are seeing though more and more is response through products that are at a competitive price. So Tesco farm brands are a great example of that, of products that are focusing on a certain price point or area to really offer consumers that good, better, best that retailers like to offer. I think the other thing that we'll see across retailers as well is more communication about whole store value. So really driving reasons to go to your Sainsbury's, your Tesco, your Asda, your Morrisons, all of them talking about what's important to them. So around Christmas, all the advertising wasn't just focusing on the food, it's focusing on what the extras were, so the alcohol, the food, the clothing, entertainment products. So I think there'll be more of that as well to offer that whole store value. So it won't just be a meat-focused argument, it'll be a wider argument as well.